everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to sum same cell in multiple sheets with Kutools for Excel. With Kutools for Excel's combine function, uh, you not only can sum same cells across all worksheets in a workbook, also can sum same cells in parts of tabs of the workbook. Uh, Click the Kutools plus tab in the workbooks and sheets group. Click combine. In the pop-up Kutools for Excel dialog box, click the OK button. In the combine worksheets dialog, check consolidate and calculate values across multiple workbooks into one worksheet. Then click the next button to go on and select the workbook from workbook list and worksheets you need from the worksheet list, and then select a cell from the range section by clicking this button. Select your range, click the OK button, then click same range button to select the same cells in all checked worksheets. Then click the next button and click finish. Then a new workbook will be created to show the sum up result. Click the save button. There will pop out a dialog asking you to save the scenario. You can check yes or no as you need. I will check, click the no button. Click the first link. In the popped up Microsoft Excel Security Notice dialog, click the yes button. As you can see, the same cells in multiple sheets have been combined. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.